Want to turn your script into a professional video in minutes? No technical skills, no complicated software, no hours spent editing. Sounds impossible? Meet Pictory AI, the ultimate AI-driven video creation tool. In this tutorial, I'll not only walk you through how to create and automate video from script, but also share tips to maximize the tool's potential. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have everything you need to start producing videos that captivate your audience. Why Pictory is a game changer. Pictory AI isn't just a video editor. It's a game changer for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone looking to share their message visually. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, marketing ads, or online courses, this tool can save you time and effort. You simply paste in a script or a link to an article, and Pictory does the heavy lifting, adding subtitles, stock footage, background music, AI voiceovers, and more. Let's dive in. Step 1. Getting started. Start by signing up for a free 14-day trial through the link in the description. Once you log in, Pictory presents you with 4 powerful options. 1. Script to video. Transform your text into a video with captions and visuals. 2. Second article to video. Turn blog posts into engaging video summaries. 3. Edit videos with AI. Polish existing footage with AI enhancements. 4. Visuals. To video. Create custom slideshows from your photos or media files. Today, we'll focus on script to video, but keep watching to explore the other features later in this video. Step 2. Creating your script to video project. Enter your script. Start by pasting your script into the editor, like top 3 must-visit places in Japan. Tip: keep your script concise and engaging. If you're unsure, tools like ChatGPT can help refine it. 1. Optimize your script. Before proceeding, review your text. Add an intro to hook viewers and a call to action at the end to drive engagement. 2. Generate visuals. Pictory. AI analyzes your script and matches it with relevant stock footage and images. Once done, click Proceed, and Pictory will generate a storyboard. Step 3. Customizing your video. Now comes the fun part. Editing. Each line of your script becomes a scene with subtitles and background visuals automatically generated based on keywords. Let's explore the customization options. Text. Customization. Adjust the font, size, color, and position of captions to fit your style. Want to make key points stand out? Use the highlight feature to emphasize important keywords. Visual adjustments. Change or upload visuals for any scene. For example, if your video is about Japan, search for Tokyo Temple to find the perfect clip. Transitions and animations. Add smooth transitions between scenes or use text animations to grab attention. Step 4. Audio enhancements. Audio is crucial for viewer engagement, and Pictory excels here. 1. Background music. Choose from over 15,000 tracks sorted by mood, purpose, and genre. Adjust the volume to ensure your voiceovers shine. AI voiceovers. With 68 Premium, AI Voices by 11 Labs, you can pick the tone and accent that matches your video. For the best results, preview multiple voices before applying one to your project.
Never mistake motion for action.
Allow the world to live as it chooses.
All our dreams can come true, if we have the courage to pursue them.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on.
Logic will get you from A to B.
What worries you masters you. What worries you masters you.
A tree without blossoms or fruit.
Rather request the things I have done,
if we have the courage to pursue them.
Work while you have the light.
3. Custom audio. Prefer using your voice. Upload your own recording, and Pictory will sync it with your video automatically. Step 5. Reviewing and finalizing preview your video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Pay attention to transitions, text alignment, and overall flow.
Japan is a country rich in culture, history, and natural beauty, offering countless must-visit destinations. But if I had to narrow it down to the top 3, I would highlight 1. Kyoto, the heart of traditional Japan.
After previewing your final project, choose an aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, etc. And resolution, up to 1080p. Once satisfied, click Download to export your polished video. Pro tip: use the Save as Style feature to speed up future projects.
Japan is a country rich in culture, history, and natural beauty, offering countless must-visit destinations. But if I had to narrow it down to the top 3, I would highlight 1. Kyoto, the heart of traditional Japan. Why visit? Kyoto is the spiritual and cultural center of Japan, home to some of the country's most iconic historical sites, including beautiful temples, shrines, and traditional gardens. With over 2,000 temples.
Bonus features. Explore Pictory's full potential. Let's briefly dive into the other tools Pictory offers. Article to video. Transform lengthy blog posts into concise, visually appealing videos. Perfect for repurposing content.
Imagine a world where learning feels edutainment isn't a new concept. It dates back to visionaries like Kamensky and Benjamin Franklin laid the groundwork.
Edit with AI. Quickly clean up or enhance existing videos. Add subtitles or adjust visuals with minimal effort.
Jensen, thank you very much for agreeing to do this interview with me today. You're welcome. It's great pleasure. When you are my age, always rambunctious. I was always setting stuff on fire and gluing stuff together and blowing things up and, digging holes in this.
Visuals to video. Use your own photos to create personalized slideshows or storytelling videos.
Religious practice, but it transcends spiritual boundaries. It's not merely a way to feel happy or positive. Mindfulness isn't about controlling thoughts, but about observing them without judgment. As John Kabat-Zinn says, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. It's not just meditation, it's a way of living. Breathing practices are fundamental to mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being aware and present, experiencing reality as it is.
Pricing plan. As amazing as Pictory is, its features aren't all free. After the 14-day free trial, you'll need to choose from one of 4 plans. Starter. Ideal for beginners. Professional. Best value for creators. Team. For collaborative projects. Enterprise. Tailored for large organizations. I personally recommend the professional plan for the best balance of features and cost. Honest review, pros and cons. Pros. Beginner-friendly with no video editing skills required. Saves hours of time compared to manual editing. High-quality results perfect for social media, YouTube, and more. Cons. The free trial is limited to 14 days. Requires a paid plan for full access to advanced features. Why Pictory is worth it. In just a few minutes, you've seen how Pictory AI can turn ideas into stunning videos effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this tool is designed to simplify your workflow and enhance your content. Try the 14-day free trial using the link in the description and start creating today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one.